Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change the hotspot name on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First, you can open the settings menu on your device. And then, here you can select connections menu. Well, after that you can select mobile hotspot and tethering option. And then, click the first option here. Okay, after that you can change the name by tapping the configure here and then type the new name like this. Okay, and then click save. And then your hotspot name has been set. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change the hotspot name on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.